Hello friends, today I'm going to be building the Nuvolo Story65 keyboard. This is an aluminum keyboard and it comes as a DIY Barebones kit. I got it in the purple pink color. We'll start by removing the top case. The first layer is the circuit board. Here I'm laying out the pre-lubed stabilizers that come with the kit. These are plate-mounted stabs, which means that they'll snap into place. Before that, I'm going to add Poron PCB stabilizer pads and an IXPE switch pad. I also added a Poron mid pad in between the circuit board and the plate. Once that's all done, it's time to add the switches. I've chosen the Gateron Oil King linear switches that also come pre-lubed. I chose these for their deep and smooth sound. The kit also comes with gaskets, which will give it a more cushioned feel when typing. Now that the plate is done, let's finish the case. I'm adding the PET electrostatic film, and then put all the pieces together to reassemble it. The final touch is adding keycaps. These are the TUTKEYS PSer keycap sets. They have the shortcuts for the Photoshop printed on them, which is great because I use Photoshop a lot, so these are perfect. So there you have it, the Story65 build complete. And here is the sound test. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more keyboard and cozy desk content, and if you watched all the way through, leave a comment about which switch you try on this build.